Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, there's cool one right here, and basically what these are some dress shoes that's from the brand called Haan. If you see, this is basically the one that we got right here. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. So when you guys first open up, the product is all nicely wrapped inside. You can definitely see the dress shoe inside right here. So I'm actually got both of them first to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So since both of them are basically the same thing, it's just one side for left side and one side is right side. Let me actually just show you guys what one of them looks like. So this is basically what the product looks like right here. If you guys can see, it definitely looks like a high quality material that they use on here. And when you guys read the material on here, they definitely use like a high quality leather on here. If you can see right here, they do have the shoelace option right here. And the inside, this is what it looks like inside. So they do have the protection to actually keep the shape of the shoe when you guys first purchase it. So when you guys look at it from this angle right here, this is what it looks like on this side. If you guys flip it to the other side, this is what it looks like on this side right here. And then here's what it looks like in the back part, and here's what it looks like in the front, and then here is basically what it actually looks like in the bottom part right here. So you definitely have that good support on here on the top part, and also on the bottom part as well. And then for the inner layer right here, they do have a very nice padding as well. When you guys put it on, you definitely have that cushion and support on here. And when I feel the material on the bottom part here, it definitely feels like it has a very good grip on here. So when you guys step it on a certain surface, you would definitely have a good grip on here. So you don't have to worry about being slippery or anything, which is pretty nice. And then right here, we can see we do have the brand logo, and they do have a leather part here as well. But definitely when you guys feel the material inside here, it definitely have a good amount of cushion inside. It's not like memory foam or anything, but it's supposed to actually feel really comfortable when you guys put it on. And basically everything that's on this side of the actual shoe, it also applies on the other one as well. And then right here we have the shoelace option. If you can see, it's quite long, so you can definitely actually tie it up when you guys want to use it. So this is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually put this on to show you guys what it actually looks like and describe how it feels first. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here with the dress shoe, let me actually put it on to show you guys what it looks like. So you basically want to slip it in very easy like this. And once you guys got it in, you basically want to just tie the shoelace inside right here. You guys can either one knot it or you can double knot it. And you basically want to do the same thing for other side as well. Alright, so once you guys put it on, this is basically actually looks like right here. So when you guys put it on, it definitely feels pretty nice. It definitely have a good amount of support on here. And the bottom part of the heel option, it definitely have like that very high quality material on here. You guys can hear that clicking sound on the bottom. So if you guys plan on using this like all day or all night for a special occasion, for like a party, or even for like a wedding or an interview, you can definitely use this however you guys want to. But definitely looks very professional and actually feels really nice as well. And they actually have this available in different colors as well. But we got the black one right here. And literally once you guys actually take it out from the box, you can definitely smell that strong leather scent inside right here. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Alright, welcome back guys. So now let's do a quick test of the product. Definitely see that actually does work and actually works quite well. Super easy to actually use the product. All you gotta do is slip in your feet inside and just tie the shoelace to give you guys a much more secure fit. But definitely once you guys put the shoe on, it definitely looks pretty nice. It's not like the most comfortable shoe out there, but it actually feels really nice in terms of a dress shoe. But definitely when you guys feel the material on the shoe, it actually feels like a high quality leather that they use on here. And you definitely get that like very nice professional look on it. So if you guys want to use this like a party, or you guys want to use it on a special occasion, or even if you guys want to use this for like an interview or for your job, you can definitely use it however you guys want to, because it definitely gives you guys that very nice kind of like professional look to it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially trying to look for a high quality leather dress shoes that are used for different occasions like I mentioned earlier, such as for parties, for work, for interviews or whatever, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.